This is a special National Weather Service multimedia weather briefing issued by the National Weather Service office in Lincoln, Illinois, discussing the potential winter storm that we expect to impact the area on Wednesday. Near blizzard conditions may be expected at times on Wednesday. The rain late tonight is expected to change over to snow early Wednesday morning. The snowfall will be accompanied by winds of 20 to 30 miles an hour, occasional gusts as high as 45 miles an hour. This will combine to produce very low visibilities across the region. Snowfall will diminish somewhat during the afternoon. The wind will continue to lead to some problems with lower visibilities and drifting, however. A low-pressure system is expected to move up the Ohio River Valley, and this will produce an area of heavy snowfall across portions of central and eastern Illinois, and we do expect very dangerous driving conditions from I-55 eastward. This includes I-74 east of Bloomington, I-72 east of Springfield, and I-57 through much of eastern Illinois. Low visibility, strong winds, and drifting can be expected. Total snowfall amounts are expected to be on the order of 6 inches or higher from Lake Shelbyville and Mattoon, Charleston, northeastward through Champaign, Danville, and up into the Hoopeston area. Lesser amounts are expected to the west and to the south. However, with the strong winds that are expected, dangerous driving conditions will exist even with some lesser snowfall amounts. Therefore, the National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for much of the region from Bloomington to Springfield and eastward to the Indiana border. There will be near blizzard conditions at times on Wednesday from I-55 eastward. A winter weather advisory is in effect for southeast Illinois, south of I-70 for lesser amounts of snow, but there still will be some lower visibility at times given the extremely gusty winds. For the latest weather information, please go to our website at weather.gov/Lincoln. Thank you for your attention.